Li Suju is not here. His colleague will present on behalf of her.
From National Disaster Reduction Center of China. My subject is Earth observation for disaster resilience. This presentation is in 3 parts. Task of TG8, Earth observation for disaster risk reduction, and the cooperation project. The task of TG8 consists of the following 4 aspects: improve availability of Earth observation for natural disasters, support the use of Earth observation to address the Sendai framework, strengthen links with international charter space and major disasters, provide training and a focal point for natural disaster-focused Earth observation in Asia, Oceania. Our institute is responsible for the coordination and technology support of UN SPITER Beijing office and the charter. First of all, we are paying attention to the global natural disaster situation. This figure shows the number of major natural disasters in different regions of the world in the 2019. It can be seen that Asia is the continent with the largest number of natural disasters. We use Earth observation technology to carry out emergency mapping of natural disasters in China and other countries around the world. For example, this slide shows the monitoring of forest fires in Sichuan province, China in May 2020. We use the visible near-infrared and mid-view infrared images of the geosynchronous orbit optical satellite GF4 to monitor the fire process and use the 16-meter GF1 satellite to estimate the burned area. This slide shows the monitoring of flood in Jiangxi province, China, in July 2020. Sentinel-1 SAR image of different days are used to extract the extent of the water body and evaluate the dynamic changes and the impact of the flood. This is the monitoring of forest fire in Chernobyl, Ukraine in April. The picture on the left shows some thermal anomalies, and the picture on the right is the true color image. This is the monitoring of dam break of Soldoban Reservoir, Uzbekistan in May using SAR satellites and optical satellites. This is the monitoring of flood in Salvador in June using ESA satellites and Chinese satellites. We are the project manager of this charter corps. Finally, I'd like to introduce our new project, Integrated Application of Earth Observation for Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, which has just been approved by our Ministry of Science and Technology. The project has 3 main goals: constructing an index system based on Earth observation to support the Sendai Framework, developing monitoring technology for the indicators, construction and demonstration of the application platform. In this project, with the help of different international organizations and local governments, we will use Earth observation technology for typhoon, earthquake, and flood monitoring in Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Laos. Our Our follow-up work plan includes attaching importance to the R&D of new satellites and payloads to improve the ability of natural disaster monitoring, promote the construction of application systems and improve service capabilities, carry out more cooperative projects, especially with AOGO members. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much.